When did humanity truly begin? Who lived on this world before us? Once, there were many human species, but today, only one remains. 300,000 years ago, in Africa, something changed. That change shaped the fate of the world forever. This is our truth and reality. In this video, we will search for the answers to all of these questions and discover the true beginning of humanity. When did our story truly begin? Today, we explore one of the most profound moments in the history of life on Earth, the emergence of Homo sapiens, the species we all belong to. Scientists estimate that our ancestors first appeared around 300,000 years ago in Africa, but the journey toward becoming us was long, complex, and deeply fascinating. The name Homo sapiens means wise human in Latin. It was given in the 18th century by Carl Linnaeus to distinguish humans as a unique species within nature. Today, every living human belongs to this single surviving species. But our evolutionary story did not begin with us. It stretches far deeper into the past. Our lineage starts much earlier with the genus Homo, which likely emerged between 2.8 and 2 million years ago in Africa. Early species such as Homo habilis and later Homo erectus walked upright, crafted tools, and spread into parts of Asia and Europe. Yet, despite these advances, they were not yet modern humans. The emergence of Homo sapiens marks a turning point. Fossil discoveries at sites like Jebel Irhoud in Morocco reveal some of the oldest known remains of early modern humans, dating back around 315,000 years. These fossils display a mix of primitive and modern traits, suggesting that modern human anatomy did not appear suddenly, but evolved gradually over time. Most scientists agree that Homo sapiens emerged in Africa, but not in a single location. Early humans with modern anatomical features appear across East, South, and North Africa, pointing to a complex multi-regional development within the continent rather than a single birthplace. What truly defines a modern human goes beyond bones. There is anatomical modernity, a rounded skull, a large brain, and a body structure similar to ours today. And there is behavioral modernity, symbolic thinking, art, complex language, advanced tools, and the ability to plan for the future. Together, these traits make humans recognizable as who we are today. From the very beginning, early Homo sapiens were innovators. Their earliest stone tools resembled those of earlier hominins, but over time they became more refined and specialized. We begin to see fishing tools, harpoons, sewing needles, and equipment designed for specific tasks. By around 90,000 years ago, toolmaking had become increasingly sophisticated, and by 50,000 to 40,000 years ago, humans were creating art, personal ornaments, and symbolic objects, clear evidence of advanced cognitive abilities and abstract thought. Once modern behavioral traits were established, Homo sapiens began to leave Africa. These migrations did not occur in a single wave, but through multiple routes over thousands of years. Humans reached parts of southern China between 120,000 and 80,000 years ago. They arrived in Australia by around 65,000 to 50,000 years ago, entered Europe roughly 45,000 years ago, and eventually reached the Americas, possibly as early as 15,000 years ago. These journeys were transformative. Humans encountered new climates, unfamiliar landscapes, and other human species along the way. Modern humans were not alone. As they spread across the world, they met other members of the Homo family, including Neanderthals and Denisovans. Genetic evidence shows that Homo sapiens interbred with these groups, leaving traces of their DNA in many people living outside Africa today. Recent findings from places like School Cave suggest that this interaction may have begun much earlier than previously thought, possibly more than 100,000 years ago. So why did Homo sapiens survive while other human species disappeared? There is no single answer, but key factors include cognitive flexibility, social cooperation, innovation, and adaptability. Modern humans communicated more effectively, shared knowledge across generations, and worked together in larger, more complex social groups. Their ability to adapt, from African savannas to Ice Age environments, set the stage for global success. Despite visible differences in appearance today, all humans belong to the same species. Genetic research shows that differences between populations are remarkably small, meaning that race is largely a cultural concept, not a biological one. Our shared African origin connects every human being alive today. The story of Homo sapiens is not just about fossils or ancient tools. It is the story of creativity, resilience, cooperation, and curiosity. From the first anatomically modern humans in Africa to the interconnected global population of today, the journey of Homo sapiens reveals how innovation, migration, and adaptation shaped who we are. Understanding this deep past does more than explain where we came from. It helps us understand ourselves and where we might be going next. If you made it this far, thank you for being part of this journey through time. History isn't just about the past. It's about us. What moment in human history do you think changed everything? Leave your thoughts below, and we'll continue the timeline together.